Jack, what are you doing? You're sitting on it now. Here, let me press it. What's that? What is it? Here. That's a penguin noise. Rosie.
Like Daphne's, is it?
Hey?
Daphne's and all those restaurants along there, is it?
No, way before that.
Yeah, I mean that's the kind of area, isn't it, Daphne's?
Yeah, before that, after Joe's garage. That's a dory, Rosie. You won't find the bird there. It's just a noise. See? What are you doing, Rosie? That's a Kia.
Discover the colours of Hong Kong. Where neon lights meet ancient sights. Flights start from just $5.29 one way.
You won't find anything. Come on. Don't be silly. Here. Come on. What's this? What's that? She's biting the book. Rosie. You silly cat. Jack? What's this? Come on. Rosie. Penguin. Here. What are you trying to do, Jack? See? Penguin. What's that, Rosie? What's this? Come here. What are you trying to buy? That's just plastic. Come on. Jack. Oi. Yeah, that's a speaker. Come on. Hey. Give it up. Come on. Give it up. You silly cat. Rosie? What's that?
First to return is
Jack? Come on.
How did you get on?
What's this?
What did you do?
One of the things that I thought the most, which was the life changing the last one.
Hey, Jack. Come here. Give up? Had enough? Okay.